All right, welcome back. Well, we've harvested. Well, we got almost 3 million in this particular thing here. Harvested nothing, and I don't know, maybe about the same in the other harvester that we've put into our production and put into our storage as well. So red beets is almost at the best price, not far off. Let's put it that way. And because of that, I've decided to sell some of it. So I got 738,000 in storage. So yeah. Oh, what is it? 449. It's going up. To be really honest, I don't really care where it is, to be honest. So we'll just sell it right here. Since we are closer to this mob right here, this is where we're gonna sell it. Okay. So I think we should get about 300 and some thousand. Okay, I think we got 500 and something thousand. If I saw that correctly. Now, okay, this was, oh, that was the best price. And I just pressed the wrong thing. Return it. Return it. Okay, and let's. What did we have? That untagged. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. Where is my? No, definitely not. So we still got quite a bit here left, and we got quite a bit in the other machinery. Okay, while we're here, I might as well go get the wool. It's just sitting there doing nothing. And I want to get a plow and plow my field, but also at the same time get the. Let's clean up the screen. Get the. I think we need to put some lime on our big field, and I can't seem to find my spreader. Now I know I had a spreader, so I'm not sure if I lost it and didn't even realize. And for those of you that don't know, when I'm saying I lost it, I'm referring to when I had the game crash on me. I lost some equipment there and I didn't even realize that I did lose it. We're not going to catch that one. Okay. So all our animals have food. We're not short on food. I don't even know what's happening with my bigger field that I planted. So I will need to pay a visit to that as well. And maybe we'll get the truck and go for a little drive around and actually find out what's happening. Oh, there's my spreader right there. Okay, we'll put you into here. Okay, we're done there. And we will obviously get rid of the milk here and put it at the cheese factory and get our cheese factory going as well. Like, I'm starting to have way too much production, so I think I'll be, even though I've placed the production in either storage or to automatically sell, one or the other, I still seem to be kind of struggling. Okay, you're sitting here. I don't think, yeah, there's no more capacity. I don't think you need to be running. And might as well use this particular tractor. Where are we? Right there. So we'll go in here and we'll need you because I want to see how much. Oh, I need to go buy some. Okay. Okay. So I'll work it out. So lime is 300 per 1,000. So what do I have? 4,000, say, and let's fill it up, and then obviously 12,000, 8. So it's 300 per 1,000. 8 4s are 32. So I owe, say, $4,000. Take away. We'll pay a premium because you got delivered to us. That saves me a little bit of driving around, and I know that. Well, I'm hoping that none of you will say, "Oh, you know, you've given yourself unfair advantage." The only advantage that I got is the fact that I don't have to drive around a little bit. Okay, so we'll use this particular tractor on our smaller fields as far as dealing with lime is concerned. Wow, I keep saying that I'm gonna clean up my equipment a little bit, but yeah, I keep saying, yeah, I'm gonna start selling some of the equipment that I have, but yeah. Okay, smash into things. Yep, so it is improving, but this is where we're struggling. So I need to get a fertilizer. After I do this, I'm gonna bring a fertilizer in here and get the field looked after. Where's my, I don't want to keep doing this, going through my, no, where are we? Here somewhere, I thought. Okay, I thought my truck was somewhere here. There it is. Now all we have to do is just go over here and have a look at our field. What is going on with this field that we've put over here? Alright, we've plowed it. And let's put this up and see what... We've plowed it, but nothing is going on with it over here. So we'll go and bring the planter and plant something in here. This field has just been sitting idle forever, type of thing. So I don't think that's a smart thing to do in a competition, is to have such a massive field just sitting idle. You know what? I've been sort of on Daggerwin's case about his equipment being all over the place. But you know what? My equipment's now, whoa, all over the place. So I can't really say nothing to Daggerwin when... do I need to do that? Let's take it over there and see what happens. Since we have this and we paid for it, I don't want to just empty it. So might as well just go set it up on the field, and then by the time we get back, the planter and all that sort of stuff, it should be going. You should have some improvement, I would assume. Yeah, why not? We'll plant soybeans. Now I am going to obviously have to give a bit of a leeway to my lime spreader, because this is wider. So and plus I don't really want them to kind of work in the same field at the same time. So yeah, this is where the dilemma starts to arise. So we'll leave you right here, because we don't want you to get too close, just in case he decides that, you know what, he's not gonna like this. while we're doing that, there is something that I kind of wanted to see if we can do. Oh, this is for the pellets to spawn. Well, that's interesting. Okay, now the other way. Let's see if it should. Apparently, this has a positive influence on whatever we grow on this field. Now, I'm not sure if it has it on every single thing that we grow on this field. Now, I don't know if the sheep and all that are going to go through it. We'll find it right now when this sheep goes by. Let's see if it goes straight through it. Yep. Oh, well. It's one way where we get ourselves a bit more, not that I need more production, but gives me a little bit more, what's the word? I don't know. It gives me a little bit more honey. Let's just put it like that. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Now, let's have a look at our factories. Okay, so they're storing. There's nothing there. Okay, they're storing. So put it to sell. Okay, they're not really doing anything. Okay, they're not really doing anything. Yeah. Okay, they're storing, but all I have is red beets. Maybe I should get some carrots planted in one of the smaller fields. Or maybe I should plant carrots. Okay, olive oil storing. Why don't I just make it sell for now? Then we'll come back to it. That's distributing. That's distributing. That's storing and selling. That's storing, but there's nothing there. Storing again, there's nothing there really. So just put it to sell. Again, nothing there really. Oh, I had that to spawning. Yeah, whatever. There's nothing there anyway. Just got some wool. Got a little bit of fabric. They're selling. We'll change that to sell as well. And this one's a distributing. And this one's distributing. But I'll change it to sell for now. And then we'll see what happens. That way it creates a bit more production as well. Grass. Oh, you know what I need to do is get my eggs. Oh, wrong way. I've noticed that the chickens have produced so much eggs that we really can't keep up with it. Now, I probably could bring another production into it, but I don't want to. It's just becoming too much. I cannot keep up with it. All my videos are going to be either I just come up with a truckloads of money, and then nobody knows where did you get all that money from, or I spend biggest chunk of my video dealing with production and feeding animals. As you've probably noticed in the last little bit, I have sort of not really shown you me feeding the animals, and that's one of the reasons why, because if I did that, that's all I would do. I mean, I think I've now been recording for 20 minutes, and I've sort of just been rushing through looking after the animals. Well, actually, I haven't shown anything to do with the animals. I did that before recording. Just looking after my production and setting up courseplay to put some lime on the fields. Now, I'm going to sell these eggs because I still got quite a bit of eggs over there, and it's not really keeping up with it. I have no idea if it's the best price to sell. You know what? Why don't we look? After all, we have these. Does it actually show eggs? It does. In November. So I get 160,000 from now, 170,000 from then. You know, and I should have looked to a selling station. So, you know what? I don't think I've ever sold anything here. So let's just sell something here. If it, I assume that it sells here. Yep. I realize that eggs do sell quite slow. Now there is a mod I saw there, and you can see that I've lost a humongous amount of money, 120 instead of 160, so it's about $40,000 that I lost because I sold it in the wrong spot. Not that I care really, to be really honest. But yeah, that's what happens. There is a mod out there, I just saw it today, that you can download, and you can have the milk being distributed instead of you know, you having to get a machine to do it. So what I'll do is I'll do a bit of a time lapse, but actually, you know what, if I'm going to do a time lapse on, might as well do a bit of a time lapse on this guy. Yeah, I don't think you want me to do a much longer time lapse than this on me putting lime on this massive field. Anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family. And I'll see you the next one. Bye bye.